What is up everybody, it's your boy, back with another Engineering Eye video. And let me tell you, today we're diving deep, like seriously deep, into the world of massive mining machines. We're talking behemoths of steel, titans of tonnage, the kind of machinery that makes a monster truck look like a Tonka toy. Get ready to have your minds blown wide open because these machines are straight out of a Michael Bay movie, but like, the explosions are just productivity, and the only thing getting crushed is your sense of scale. First up, buckle up because we're starting with a bang, or rather a bucket load. This, my friends, is the Bagger 293, also known as MAN Takraf RB 293. Yeah, it sounds like a robot from Star Wars, and honestly it's about as impressive. This thing is the undisputed heavyweight champion of excavators, clocking in at over 315 feet tall and weighing a mind-boggling 31 million pounds. That's like 15,000 elephants, all rolled into one magnificent feat of engineering. This beast is so big, it has its own dedicated power plant, which is insane. It can move over 8.5 million cubic feet of earth every single day. To put that in perspective, that's enough to fill up the entire Rose Bowl Stadium, and then some. Next up, we've got a machine that's like the love child of a Ferris wheel and a giant cheese grater. I'm talking about the bucket wheel excavator, and this thing is a sight to behold. Imagine a massive wheel stories high with buckets the size of cars just chomping away at the earth. One of the most impressive examples is the Bagger 288, a close cousin of our previous champion, which held the title of the world's largest land vehicle for over 20 years. This thing is seriously massive, stretching almost 700 feet long and weighing in at over 31 million pounds. Now if you thought those last two were big, hold on to your hard hats because the Dragline Excavator is here to show us what real size looks like. These behemoths are like the long-necked dinosaurs of the mining world, with their massive booms stretching out over impossible distances. One of the biggest baddies in this category is the Bucyrus Big Muskie, which sadly isn't around anymore but deserves an honorary mention. This thing was absolutely monstrous, with a boom longer than a football field and a bucket that could hold a small house. It's hard to comprehend the scale of these machines until you see them in action, but trust me, they are the definition of engineering awesomeness. Chapter 4: Mining Trucks That Will Blow Your Mind. Okay, we've seen some seriously big machines so far, but no mining operation would be complete without a fleet of colossal trucks to haul all that material away. Enter the mining truck and these ain't your grandpa's pickup. We're talking about behemoths like the Caterpillar 797F, which can haul a staggering 400 tons of material in a single trip. That's like carrying around a whole herd of elephants. These trucks are so big that their tires alone can cost tens of thousands of dollars to replace. Chapter 5. The King of Shovels. Now someone's got to load all that material into those monster trucks, and that's where the hydraulic shovel comes in. These mechanical giants are like the T-Rexes of the mining world, with their powerful arms and massive buckets capable of scooping up tons of earth and rock in a single bite. The P&H 4100 XPC is a prime example of hydraulic shovel excellence. This beast can handle a payload of up to 120 tons, making quick work of even the toughest mining jobs. Chapter 6. Continuous Miners, the Unsung Heroes. Now let's venture underground for a bit and check out the unsung heroes of the mining world: continuous miners. These machines are like giant, mechanized moles, tirelessly boring through the earth and extracting valuable resources. The Joy 14 CM30 is one of the most impressive continuous miners out there. This beast can cut through rock like butter, thanks to its powerful rotating drum equipped with replaceable cutting teeth. It's a marvel of engineering that makes underground mining a whole lot more efficient. Chapter 7. Speaking of underground mining, we gotta give a shout out to the Longwall Mining system. This ingenious setup is like a giant mechanized assembly line for extracting coal. At the heart of the system is the Longwall Shearer, a massive machine that moves along the coal face, shearing off layers of coal like a hot knife through butter. These shearers are seriously impressive pieces of engineering, capable of operating in some of the most challenging conditions imaginable. Chapter 8. Surface Miners, Efficiency Kings. Back up to the surface, we've got the surface miners, which are like the Swiss Army knives of the mining world. These machines can handle multiple tasks in one go, from cutting and crushing to loading and transporting material. One of the most impressive examples is the Vertgen 4200 SM, a beast of a machine that can cut a mining path up to 92 feet wide and over 6 feet deep in a single pass. Talk about efficiency. Chapter 9. Highwall Miners reaching new depths. Now if you need to mine coal from exposed seams, the Highwall Miner is your go-to machine. These bad boys are like the snipers of the mining world, capable of reaching deep into the earth and extracting coal with incredible precision. The Cat GH800 is a prime example of Highwall mining prowess. This machine can operate at distances of up to 2,000 feet, making it ideal for mining in areas where traditional methods are either too dangerous or too costly. Chapter 10. Underground loaders, small but mighty. Last but not least, we've got the underground mining loaders, the workhorses of the subterranean world. These compact yet powerful machines are essential for moving material around in the tight confines of underground mines. The Sandvik LH514 is a great example of an underground loader that's both agile and efficient. It can handle payloads of up to 14 tons and maneuver through tight spaces with ease, making it an invaluable asset in any underground mining operation. Alright folks, there you have it. The top 10 biggest and coolest mining machines in action. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of heavy machinery. If you're as amazed by these engineering marvels as I am, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Engineering Eye for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep on exploring the awesome world of engineering.